Mommy and Daddy.
Daddy.
Yeah, for Mommy and Daddy. Pull the paper off. I'm gonna get some. What is it? Is it a motorbike?
It's not quite a motorbike.
Is it a bike? Take all the paper off. Oh, what? Is it a bike? Whoa! Hang on. Mommy has to do a little bit of work on it here. Cut some straps. Hang on. There's one strap on. Oh, cool. Hang on, let me do this strap over here. Wowee! And somehow it's adjustable so that he can reach things. Ooh, look at Daddy. Look at Dad. Yay! My very first bike. Yay! Push on the pedals. Yeah. This will go good downstairs on the tile, right?
Mm-hmm.
A little trunk too. Oh, wow. You all done? No?
Oh, wait till you figure out those pedals. Oh my goodness.
Oh, careful. Are you all done? Okay, get off. You know how to get off. There. Nice bike. Yeah. Did you say thank you? Did you say thank you? It's a bike. Oh, is it heavy? Is it heavy?
Okay.
Heavy? Yeah.
Okay, we're done.
Okay. Oh, jeez, yeah.
Supposed to ride it, not pick it up.
Heavy, yeah.
Nathan, look at Daddy. Hi.
Mm-hmm.